Hey guys, these are some of my pocket diapers. It's been 3 weeks I started using them and I love them so far, and in this video I'm going to show you how I use them really quick. So next I'm going to show you the liners I'm using. These are Grow Viva liners. I bought it online and it helps to catch the poop. So next thing is I'm going to show you the insert. First, I'm going to show you the liners. That's how I put it on the top. It looks like dryer sheet. The insert I'm using is the bamboo insert. I'm not using the microfibers. From all the reviews, I heard that microfiber is not highly absorbent, and I'm having a good experience with this bamboo insert so far. And I just use one at night, and there's no leakage. It's better than the disposable diapers I was using. So I make sure everything's flattened and there's no folding inside, and I just put liners on the top and it's ready to go. So whenever my baby poops, I just throw it away. I do not floss it, so I just put it in my trash can. And so I just put all the liners insert ready to go as soon as I need it, and it's been good so far. The next thing is the wet bag. I got it online. These are the bags I got it from the packaging. I have like four of these. I got the diapers, the bamboo insert, and a wet bag in the same packaging. So I'm having a good experience. Um, I just put it in the wet diapers inside and I wash it every 2 days. If you like this kind of video, please subscribe. Thank you.